Here I have Motorola Moto G72, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then switch to the more modes, select slow motion, and now let's record something in slow-mo. So I'm gonna just record this flower spinning, so let's get it. Okay, we got it. And now let's check out how it will look like on the actual slowed down video. So as you can see, here the flower spins somewhat slower, I guess, but not too much, I think. So as you can see, like here it starts like much faster and then it slows down a bit. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.